In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Higgsfield AI credits. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your credit balance, how the free daily allowance works, and the best ways to purchase or top up credits so you can keep creating without interruptions. Start by opening your browser and searching for Higgsfield AI. When the results load, choose the official website. Take a quick moment to verify the URL and make sure you see a secure connection indicator. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're signing in safely. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to sign up or log in. If you're new, create an account using your preferred method. If you already have one, just sign in. You might be prompted to confirm your email or set up basic profile details before moving on, depending on your account status. After you're in, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over your profile icon. This opens your account menu. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile device, you might need to tap the menu or avatar to see the same options. From there, head to the left sidebar and find the subscription section. Inside, you'll see your current plan information and a dedicated area for credits. This is where you can check your remaining balance, understand how credits are consumed by different models or features, and see any renewal or reset details tied to your plan. Many new accounts receive a small daily allowance, often around 10 credits per day, to help you try basic features. Keep in mind this policy can change, and some users have recently reported that the daily allowance may be reduced or unavailable, so don't rely on it for heavy use. If you need more, click the option labeled Plus Buy Credits. This typically lets you purchase a one-time bundle. Review the price, the number of credits included, and any expiration details before you confirm. If you expect consistent usage each month, consider upgrading your plan. An upgraded plan includes additional credits on a monthly term and can be more cost-effective if you create often. Be sure to note the billing cycle, the included monthly credits, and whether unused credits roll over. Finally, if you're already on a plan but you've run out, choose Top Up Credits. This lets you add a one-time credit pack on top of your existing plan so you can keep generating without waiting for your next monthly reset. That's it. Now you know how to find, buy, and manage your Higgsfield AI credits with confidence.